Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook account without deactivating your Messenger. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Facebook application or go to Facebook website from your browser. Then this type of interface will appear in your screen once you have logged into your account. Then from the top right corner, click to your profile icon. Then go to Settings and Privacy. There click to Settings and Account Center will appear in your left side of your screen. Click to See More in Account Center. There in Account Settings, click to Personal Details. There you can see Account Owner, Ownership and Control. Click on it. Then click to Deactivation or Delete. Choose your account. Then click to deactivating your account temporarily. Then press Continue. Again press Continue. Then enter your password. Once you have entered your password, click to Continue. Click to any reason that you are deactivating your Facebook account. Then click to Continue. Choose to Don't reactivate my account automatically. Then click to Continue. There in the last section, choose Continue using Messenger. Then finally click to deactivate my account. Then your account will be deactivated but without deactivating your Messenger. This is how you can deactivate your Facebook account without deactivating your Messenger. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.